Hi viewers, welcome to practical oriented learning through online tool part 2. In this session we are going to demonstration of practical experiments using Arduino board. How to design experiments in the Arduino board, and it will provide coding also. Next, demonstration of wireless communication using UART. It is used for Zigbee, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi for wireless networks. Third one, connection and demonstration of moisture sensor. How to connect moisture sensor to the Arduino board and how to display this value into the UART terminal. Now we are going to demonstrate these things, and select Arduino processor based experiments. There is a lot of experiments are available. First we can select the Arduino board, click the board and put working place. Here we are going to write a program for blink the LED. So here LED have two terminal, one is a positive terminal, another one is a negative terminal. So positive terminal is connected to the 13th pin of the Arduino board. Next, negative terminal is connected to the ground. So this is the microprocessor. This is the microprocessor. It will perform all the operation. So what is mean by processor? Processor will perform the operation as per given instruction. Group of instruction known as a program, right? So processor means it will perform the operation as per given instruction. Okay, group of instruction known as a program. Okay, so this processor will perform all the operation. The board will support for the processor. It support for power pin and serial pin. All the pins are available in the processor. So processor have power pin, digital pin, analog pin, then serial communication pins. Okay, digital pin, analog pin and serial communication pins. This A0 to A5, these are the analog pin. So analog pin means it will convert analog signal into digital signal. For example, if temperature sensor is connected to analog pin, the humidity temperature value is converted into digital. So actually temperature sensor will provide the Celsius value. So it is converted by temperature sensor into electrical value. This electrical value is converted into digital value by support of analog pins. So humidity sensor, gas sensor, these sensors can be connected in the analog pins. Next, this side, these are the digital pins. Okay, these digital pins are used to connect the LED, LCD for that applications. Next, UART. For wireless communication we can use these two pins. So wireless communication means we can transfer the information by using the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Zigbee, GSM. We can transfer the information from one place to other place. That time these two pins will support. One is TXT pin, another one is RXT pin, transmission and receiving purpose, or it can be named as a UART. So now I am going to write a program for LED blinking. So if you are select this one, it has program also. That time you can select code. Here two type of program mode is available. One is to select the blocks and write the program. Another one is code, right? So this is the block based program. Select the blocks for the components, we can execute the program. Otherwise you select the text. Here C program is available. This program blinks pin 13 of the Arduino. So 13th pin is connected to the positive terminal of the LED. Okay, So first we are assign the pin by using the void setup LED bulletin comma output. So LED is assigned as a output. LED is assigned as a output. LED bulletin is assigned for 13th pin. LED is assigned for 13th pin. Void loop, we can write the program. Digital write LED bulletin, LED built-in high. LED built-in high. That time LED will blink. It will blink for 1000 millisecond. LED will blink for 1000 millisecond when digital write LED built-in comma high instruction is given to the processor. If LED built-in given as is low, so LED will off for 1000 milliseconds. Now we execute this program. Start simulation. Look at the LED, it will on 1000 millisecond, it will off 1000 millisecond. We can adjust the turn on and turn off time through the program. Stop the simulation. We can adjust the time period 5000 or something, 5000 millisecond it will turn, and I will disable digital write LED built-in low. So I will disable the off condition. Okay, look at the LED, there is no off condition, so LED blink, LED will not off. Okay, like this a lot of experiments are available here. Now we are going to look at the experiment. When turn on push button switch, this LED is connected automatically in 13th pin. Okay, it is available inbuilt in Arduino board. When I press this switch, it will blink here. Okay, so now I am going to start the simulation. When I press this switch, look at this LED, it will blink. Okay, this is one experiment. Code also available here. We can modify this code for our applications. Okay, for so here look at the digital write small letter. This is a case sensitive program, so carefully do that one. So next we are going to discuss about UART. So UART is UART is useful for wireless communication and wireless network. So now I am going to do experiment. When I press the switch, that time the value will appear on the serial monitor. Serial monitor means it will display the information. What are the information appear on the TXT pin, RXT pin. So this TXT pin, RXT pin is connected to the wireless modems like Zigbee, Bluetooth, GSM, GPS. In Zigbee, GSM, GPS there is a 2 pin available. One is TXT, RXT. So here the TXT pin of the Arduino should be connected to the RXT pin of the wireless modem. It may be Bluetooth, Wi-Fi or Zigbee. Then RXT pin of the Arduino should be connected to the TXD pin of the wireless modem. It may be Zigbee, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, like that. Okay. So now we can monitor the output, or we can view the output of these pins in the serial monitor. So it will be available in the code part. So at last or bottom here serial monitor is available. Okay. So now I am going to demonstrate the program. So I am going to press the button. Start simulation. So select the serial monitor, look at the serial monitor. Here I am going to press the button. So this time it shows the output 0. That time I didn't push the button. Now I am push the button, it will display the value 1, right. So this value will be transferred to one mobile to other mobile, or one laptop to other mobile through the wireless modem, Zigbee, Bluetooth, like that. That time this serial monitor is used to display the outputs. Next we are check it another one program. Analog input. So analog input means maximum we are using a lot of sensors, temperature sensor, humidity sensor, ultrasonic sensor, gas sensor. So that time how this input has taken in the Arduino, right. So this is the potentiometer. We can vary the value in potentiometer. It will be given as a input to the analog pin. Instead of potentiometer we can connect to the temperature sensor, humidity sensor and other sensors. Okay. So now the potentiometer data pin is connected to the A0. Okay. When we adjust this knob, it will given into the LED. Based on the analog input, the LED blinking time is varying. LED blinking time is varying. Start simulation. Okay, now LED is blinking less milliseconds. Now I am going to adjust the pin. So now look at the on time, off time, it is different. Okay. So analog input is taken as input for Arduino board, then it will display according to the analog input. So the LED intensity is varying based on the input of the potentiometer. Next we are going to do experiments LCD to display the characters, to display the values in the LCD. That time we can start the simulation. So LCD is connected to the Arduino board. So this is the so we can change the display character by using this program. So this is the program for LCD. LCD1 dot print means hello world will appear. We can get the temperature value, humidity value, and display this value into the LCD. These type of experiments can be done in the Arduino board and LCD support. So last we will discuss about humidity sensors. So we can fix the humidity sensor with the processor in one place in agricultural land or room. This value is updated in the mobile through the serial pins, TXT pin, RXD pin. This time we are going to demonstrate that experiment. So this is the humidity sensor. This value can be adjusted by using this humidity sensors. So based on humidity sensor, value will vary in the LED and serial monitor. So output can be looked at serial monitor and LED. Okay. So now we select the serial monitor, start the simulation. So value is 0, the humidity value is 0, there is no humidity. If I am increasing humidity value, it will be displayed in the serial monitor. By using Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Zigbee, we can transfer this information from one processor to another processors. It will be useful to demonstrate wireless communication related experiments.